Talesong 32. The time of indifference. I sit in rooms where talk is light, parties hum, but hearts aren't right. We smile, we toast, yet feel so small, love and care barely touch us at all. We drift through days in soft neglect. Pleasure over feeling, duty unchecked. Secrets simmer behind polite masks. Life's meaning fades in idle tasks. I watch my friends, indifferent, cold, chasing wealth, while hearts grow old. Romance flickers, then dies away. No one stops, no one will stay. Society moves, yet souls decay. In this time of indifference, we stray. I long for passion, truth, and fire. Yet am trapped in polite desire. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.